Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene and we at Youth for Work have brought out information for the competitive exam known as CAIIB. To know more about the tips, please watch this video till the end. You need to finish 3 papers of CAIIB exam within 120 minutes each, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 100 questions total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limit attached to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the time limit. For this, I would recommend the Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.